Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa here. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look on my eyes right here. Very, very, very sparkly. And I am going to be showing you guys which red lip that I do use. Now, for the entire video, I did decide to go into voiceover mode. And the reason for that is just because I kind of want to give some people what they like, some people, you know, because I find that some viewers like voiceovers and some viewers like talk-throughs. So I kind of want to do a mixture of both. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you guys think. So I guess that is it, guys. I'm not going to ramble too long because this video is probably going to be long already. So if you guys like this video, like this channel, don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you guys in just a sec. Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking that color that I pointed at. I don't know the color name at the moment. I'm looking at the palette right now, but honestly I'm too lazy to get up and get it. But anyways, I am going to be putting this right in the crease, and I'm going to be putting this right in the crease and just kind of winging it out. Fast motion. Woo! So taking that color that I just pointed at, don't know that shade name either, but I'm going to be putting this right on top of the color that I just did. Now this is just going to deepen up the crease. The first color I did was a transition, and this one's just to deepen up the transition to, you know, I mean, to get to where we need to be pretty much. So this is just going to define it a little bit more. Next, I'm taking this dark ass brown shade, so we're just going to be putting that right on top of those two colors as well, winging it out just like I am showing you guys. And this is going to be the last darkest shade. Wow, just like that. Next, I'm taking my Hard Candy Glamoflauge concealer to cut my crease. I got this concealer at Walmart. I believe I've said it in a million videos, but I got it at Walmart for like $6. So I'm just going to be cutting my crease, and you're going to drag the concealer all the way out like you're like winging your liner. It's a little bit scary to do this, but believe me guys, just try it out. Put all the, make the concealer into a wing, like wing liner, because you're going to take your finger like so and blend it out with your finger. It's going to blend in perfectly. Taking my Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be taking the white shade, and I'm just going to be packing this all over my concealer that I just put on. Next, I'm going to be taking my NYX glitter primer and my Color Evolution glitter. Don't know what shade this is in, but I'll put it in the down bar. Just going to be patting that glitter primer or glitter glue all over, packing the glitter on as you know, as you would, and I'm just going to be putting it right against the cut crease line, crease thingamaboob, you know, and just shape it to be a wing as well. So just like you're doing wing liner, you're just going to wing out your glitter. Taking my palette again, the dark brown, I am just going to be darkening up the crease because it wasn't as dark as it should have been. Taking my BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette, I'm just going to be taking the white highlighter shade. Now I'm going to be putting this on my brow bone as if this look had not enough shimmer and glitter in it. I'm going to highlight the brow bone. So going back in with my Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to be taking the shades I took before for my under eye. So, you know, the transition shade, that shade I'm pointing at, the dark brown shade, putting all of those right on the bottom, and with that dark brown shade I am going to be tucking it in right on the outer corner of my eye, so that way I don't want to drag it in too much because I want my eyes to be a little bit more open. If I drag it all the way to the inner corner, they're gonna look a little bit more closed. I don't want that. The next thing I'm going to be taking is this YSL red lipstick. Now this lipstick is in the shade Rouge per Couture. I believe. I don't know. In 01, however you say it, is an amazing lipstick. It's not matte, it's actually like a shine lipstick. But yeah, that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed. Mwah!
Alrighty everyone, so that brings us to the end of this video. If you guys did enjoy, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below if you have not already. And I guess I will see you all in the next one. Bye! When I don't take